we're given this formula, this equation here, 1 over y plus 2x plus x squared over 2 equals 1. We want to look for y prime equals 2y squared plus xy squared. Right, so before we start, I'm going to rewrite 1 over y as y to the negative 1 plus 2x plus x squared over 2 equals 1. So now we're going to take the derivative. So we have negative 1 times y to the negative 2 dy dx plus the derivative of 2x is 2 plus 1/2 times the derivative of x squared is 2x. That's equal to the derivative of 1 is 0. Okay, so we have negative y prime over y squared plus 2 plus 1/2 times 2 cancel out, so we have plus x. Okay, so now I'm going to subtract both sides by 2 and x. So we have negative y prime over y squared equals negative 2 minus x. Okay, so now I'm going to multiply both sides by y squared. So we have negative y prime equals, I'm going to pull out that negative and say 2 plus x. Actually, I am not going to do that and just say it's negative 2y squared minus xy squared. Okay, so now I'm going to multiply both sides by negative 1 or divide by negative 1. It doesn't really matter, however you look at it. So y prime equals 2y squared plus xy squared.